Hello, how are you guys? Once again, a warm welcome from the channel iTalkipedia, and I am here with a new video about a headphone, an earphone. And today I am going to unbox a brand new headphone. The headphone is a Rock Y1 Stereo Earphone. So let's see and unbox the earphone. You can see that the box is always very cool. This is the front part. I like the boxing, you know. It's a very cool design. So let's start the unboxing of the Y1 Stereo headphone. It's a very cool earphone. So let's unbox it. First of all, I think you should unbox it from here. Here comes the headphone. Let's see. It's very cool. I can get one earphone. This is one part of headphone. So headphone is very cool. I can also get this bubble. This is very useful, and you can use it as you intended. Let's see. This is very cool, you know. This is very soft. Okay. And you get a manual. This manual can be used to understand how you can use your earphone. So the headphone is very cool, and I love this headphone. Hope you also like this headphone. If you buy it, the price is very, very low, only $4, or in Taka 300 Taka. The headphone, if you use the headphone, the sound quality is very good and there is no noise problem. So if you enjoyed this, I think all of you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel iTalkipedia. This Y1 Stereo earphone is very cool, and make sure when you buy it you check all the stickers, and if there is an warranty card, please check it out all this carefully. So I hope you have all enjoyed the video very much. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel iTalkipedia and get the latest technological news and update at the very first. Stay tuned. Thank you everyone for watching this video.